formula writing part. How to writing the formula. Do this the formula. How can work this formula? Formula writing part is the best important part in Excel. Then how to write the formula in Excel. That is a basic part in Excel. Yes. Here we can see sigma symbol, that is the sum of the formula. Now we can do this value. How to value will be work. Now here the basic sum formula, then average, then minimum, then maximum. What is the meaning of sum function? Here we write down some value is 60. Here we write down 80, and in subject 3 we will write down 89. Now the sum this value is subject 1 plus subject 2 plus subject 3. Here the total value will become of the sum. This is total value. Now drag this value. This is a drag functionality is also available here. This formula bar is a very zooming bar, so we cannot see the whole the data. Now we can zoom out this data. If we write down only 15, value will be plus on this. Now sum, average, minimum, maximum value is coming from this data. Here we will same effect, same data. It's a all border format. Here we will 120 only, 20 value will be plus. This is 290, total 200. Something this value is below 20. This is good for us. If I write down 50, then all the value will be changed. Now the sum value is coming from this value. Sum value is coming. Here value is in point value, so we will convert to the last decimal values. This is also convert to the last decimal values. Here we write down 50, we will also write down 50, 70, 90, 120. Here we also write down 50, so the total will be small. Otherwise, that is okay for it. Now, how to write down the formula? Formula writing equal to, now average. Here is the average value, average of this 3. Then press the enter. This is 66. And border of this value, and you can also use the format painter, same as it is for average. This format painter you can apply. This is called format painter. Now, same as it is, formula writing minimum function. Minimum of this 3 subject. In this 3 subject, each one value is minimum value. Here the 50 is a minimum value. Now drag this functionality. So value is, smallest value is coming from your side. It's a 50, 70 or small value. And the maximum of this value is max the function. And subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, and max this value. Then drag this value and put out this value. Then using format painter, you can use this format painter here. This is a maximum of this 3 values. So basically we will want to how to write down the formula, how to use the formula. We can use the both the functionality plus sign, otherwise as we will use the equal to function. We will use the both the sign. Which one is convenient from you, that is good for us. But as of my suggestion, equal to is a best option in Excel for the writing any formula, because some part, some in a higher part of Excel, you can use the indirect function and all these functions. This is plus will be not allowed in the data validation part. So at that time it creates the problem. So my suggestion is that you can use the equal to function, hold the Excel session, and if you want to use the Excel any command, you can use the equal to sign. That is grateful for us, because in some situation we cannot use the plus sign in Excel. That's why we will create the equal to sign. You can use the equal to sign for that data. Yes, you have definitely used the sigma symbol also. You can use the sigma symbol. Here you can use also sigma symbols. So auto sum it is okay for it. This is a completely okay for you. This is a sigma symbol for us. This is automatically sum this values. This is automatically sum this value. You can use this sum the value. This is auto sum value. Here this is also auto sum value is applicable. You can use this sum from the auto sum is available from your side. Also this total will be also available from your side. So this is a how to formula writing in a Excel. That is the most important part in a Excel. This is a very basic functionality: sum, average, minimum, maximum. All these functionalities included. So this is a useful from your side. Now, the next functionality is for yes. If you want to use this, how to insert any row, how to delete any row. If you want to add anything, you can use Control plus. Control plus is a shortcut key to insert any row, and Control minus is delete any row. You can use this shortcut key, otherwise else you can use the manually command also. Right click and insert any row, then you can use the insert command. If you write down delete any values, then write down and delete any row, you can delete any row. Then both the command, this is you can use the shortcut key or as well as you can use the command. Yes. In the previous session, we will write down 1, 2 and 3 and drag this value. It automatically comes this value. We will in previous session we will discuss for this. But if you want to use this value, this is by default 10 values, right? If I am go for the next 100 value, then dragging option is not available. At that time, it's create a very problem. You can use the fill series. This is a row value and column value. Here it is a column value. This is column step value and stop value. We'll write down stop value is 10. This is a step value. This is not a start value. So step value 1 to 10 is automatically come. If we will write down column value is 1 to 100, then it is also working in 1 to 100 also. You can see here 1 to 10 and throughout the 100 value it will be come from your side. This is a very useful command in Excel. If you want to go for this, now this is a useful fill series command. Now this is a step value series and step value is 2 and stop value is 10. If I want to, step is 2 and stop is 10. Sorry, this is a row value, no, this is a column value. Then go for the series command and column value and step value is 2 and stop value is 10. Then click on OK command. Then you can see here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. But in this scenario, you cannot delete this value. That's why it's coming. Yes, we'll discuss the condition of formatting. Condition of formatting in subject to in total. Here you can see here, and we will use this with using the series function. If I am writing here rule number 1, 2, And you can see here, you can go for the series command column. Stop value is 10. For example, if you go this value is 10, and here the value is go for the value series command columnar value, then stop value is 10. Then you can see here 10 values coming. We only for required 7 values. Now you can check subject 1, subject 1, subject 3, conditional formatting, highlight the cell, rules greater than value. If this value is greater than, this value is greater than 50. For example, it's a 60 or 100, right? Then highlight the coloring. Custom format, highlight this color and okay. Now you can see here, this is only for greater than value. This is simple rules. Then it will be converted to the less than value. If it is less than value 150, then highlighting color. If it is between, for example, between this value 150 to 200 value, 150 to 200 value, then the value is highlighting from this color. This is called highlighting cells rules. If the text that contain, for example, text that contain here, for example, if I'm putting D, then you can see here D color is changed. This is called as conditional formatting. If it is date format, duplicate value, for example, here is any value. If we want to clearing of the rules, then we clear rules, clear the select cells, then selected cells, clear rules. If this value is between this value particular to particular value, then it will be highlighted. So make sure that value which will be highlighted, it's a more easiest value. Conditional formatting, it will be highlight the particular value on the basis of particular rules. Here is a duplicate value. Any value it's duplicate. Then you can see here, this is a duplicate of this value. Duplicate value. If it is unique value highlighted, this is unique value. Duplicated value will be highlighted and okay. Now you can see here, this is duplicated value. If it is date that containing icon set, this is all are the other formatting. Top 10 records, top 5 records, top 3 records will be checked here. But now you can see here, this is a greater than value. In this greater than value, this is custom format, and now your solution is you have to go for the different coloring also. Manage the rules, you have to delete the particular rules. Here we will delete the rules and apply this rules. Now it will be converted to the table format also, and with using of table format, we will go for the particular data with the color formatting also. If the color background is in yellow color, then it will be true for the control plus value. We want to highlighting for this value. On the basis of this value, we can easily highlight the particular value. If we will merge this cell and merge in center, then it will be highlighted this value. If we will clear rules from selected cell, it will be clear rules, clear coloring from the cell, then no fill. Here we will also the color from black color line, and black color line is completed from your side. Then you can see that this value, if you use this value, we can do the data from the Excel file. So here is a margin center. If it is using wrap text, you can use this. Now we only for bold this value, highlight the cell value greater than. If the value is greater than 100, then the value is highlighted. Custom format, font. Here is a font for bold, bold and italic, and okay. You can see here bold and italic format is coming from your side. You can go for the another rules also. Format, border. If you want to use this border also, then you can use the conditional formatting this border. And if you want to use the particular data with the particular format, then you can use this format also. So now you have to clear about the conditional formatting with this data. You can use this value with the
For example, highlight the rules and greater than. You can see here the different format also available. Font, number, border, fill. You can use this format also. So make sure that you want to use this format with the using of font color. So it will be use that font color. So this one font color value it will be changed. Okay. Thank you.